talk about wey happen true life story for India of one young man wey dey sue im parents. He carry them go court say why they go born am into this life.
A lot of people get pedophobia. People no wan born. Why your people they born plenty?
We get plenty farmland.
Can't get inheritance to call. We can't still born plenty. But for commercial purpose.
Sensible people they plan to have kids.
Playing football for myself. I play for something far bigger than even my name and my roots.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.
All right, so we still did the experience segment. Don't forget, say the WhatsApp line still remains 090-4821-3013. Anyhow, anywhere where you dey with us. If you want to listen to us, where we say they where you go fit get transmission, you can go live streaming. Now if you say you go to hear us as long as you get internet on top www.yanga899.fm. And if you want to take it to an extra mile, my brothers and sisters, why not just download our mobile app, Yanga 899 mobile app on Play Store and Apple Store. Just go and download it. So anywhere where you dey, you no go miss a minute of information, education, and of course entertainment.
Correct.
I'm talking about all these things. The experience segment we want to talk about now another level entirely. Another level. Now we want to do right now. And the level we want to do right now something we say we don't start to talk about in case you just they join us. And now something we make we heavy. Where. It has to do with something where Jiro talk about where happen true life story for India of one young man where they sue in parents. He carry them go court say why they go born them into this life.
So 27
years old, yeah. Say why they go bring him into this life to come and experience things he didn't plan for. They did not get his. Now that one scatter my head. They not get in consent before they born them. And that matter we can't look at where so say come, may we even judge this matter. This young man we talk this thing, he get within his CEO. He get within we don't experience so. As all of us dey like this, how many people like play today go heavy. This one na one-on-one level they do this morning. How many people are proud of their family? Now there the matter takes start from. How many people can actually say I am proud of the family I belong to? Yeah. Now he can carry us waka small, enter the level of this young man true life story. We can bring up the question we will ask everybody. We would like me to put them out on top WhatsApp for now. On top 090-4821-3013. Pikin where they born. Is it this life? How this Gen Z they not go keep a scene as well. Why is it that some parents give birth to children without thinking of how they will survive? Whether you like it or not, there are some. Even the Constitution say government is supposed to provide some basic things. We will not even go there because we don't come out here. We don't go come out here. But why would a person give birth to a child? What will be the reason we make you have that child? Is it to prove say you be man? Is it to prove say we don't marry and I dey okay before people go dey talk? Is it because you want somebody to pass your legacy to? Is it because you want to prove a point? Is it for commercial purpose? When I say commercial, you get farm. You must born like 17 children to take care of the farm. You get cattle where you dey carry up and down, especially Fulani people.
Yeah, Shana Ewa.
Some people get pikin now. They go say, if I born 5, at least one suppose make sense out of the 5. Meanwhile, some people go tell you say nothing better pass born 2 children, make you dey okay.
So can we all agree that some parents are just selfish?
Yes.
All the 20 reasons or 100 reasons why you give birth to a child is for your own gain.
It's to satisfy yourself.
It's not for the child.
It's to prove a point.
It's not. You are not thinking about the child.
I don't
the
born,
child's welfare.
I don't born 6. I don't born 6 girls. I must born 1 boy.
My dad did something that I don't like bring personal matter, but most time in the radio we did. And
yeah, we would try once in a while.
Somehow say I go to talk. I go to talk. My father gave birth to our last born, and he talk and said the day. He said, "Now me or one of my children go take care of this one."
Bam. Assignment don't come with that too.
Okay, so they talk now. The boy in my house.
So
the school.
He was right.
He was right, but does he know what it's costing me now? He's being right.
Place of religion and tradition.
Blessing they come.
Wait now.
This one be blessing. Maybe
Wait
now
now.
be blessing.
Well, that's where I'm going with tradition and culture.
They come with
In some cultures, they believe say the more children you have, the better it is for you. In some cultures, they believe say the more children you have, the wealthier the society sees you. In some cultures, they have children to prove a point.
So this is where we are supposed to start enlightening ourselves.
Oh yeah, now.
If not before Mary, she the giving birth of twins. I think they foresee they buy them till tomorrow.
From our side, not for our side.
That's to tell you there are cultures that needs to be reviewed, needs to be rejigged. Some of our forefathers, some of our even fathers, our elders, they don't accept the truth. But it's the truth. It gets some part of, not every part of our culture, but there's some part of our culture where we say we know this one. No good contribution.
But children they bring blessing.
Now that won't be the wrong mindset.
Children they bring
children are blessings.
Supposed to bring blessing.
If I come on here to say broke people should stay away from love, una go say I dey against broke people. But say two broke people meet now, they come born. How they want to take care of pikin when they born, and your child is supposed to be your sole responsibility.
So it depends on your
because you not fit born pikin. I mean you can't expect me to take care of.
So it depends on your definition of broke. You guess because. Okay. Being broke self not be the absence of money first to start with.
Okay. I'm talking financial now because you cannot deny the fact that first you go first do antenatal. You go buy baby things. You go come born. To born now they pay big money, especially if that's cesarean section.
I never thought this one you go say maybe na motivation.
Oh yeah.
But poverty first na mindset.
Leave that one.
No, this one make you first know.
So as I say
somebody say broke first, it means that the person true. He no plan to get.
You don't get money because you don't get money.
You don't get what you
get. You don't have money. That you don't have money
let me even shock you. Do you know even the rich go broke?
Of course. But inside there, the rich get things where they feel they balance their finances. They know they fall back flat.
So
a broke man go fall back, go touch ground.
Why are they get problem with that your statement of saying that if you are broke?
Now because you be motivational speaker, you they let them know say poverty is a mindset. Once I'm talking poverty, I'm talking money. And they let you know say you don't get because you feel then I mean they do your best, make your best, not they even want.
You know why they start this thing? Because Olawale way go dey, we be Olawale they struggle. Or Chinedu way they hustle. We say never fit organize himself.
Now why he not supposed to born?
He dey hustle.
He not supposed to born.
He don't try. They do one small work.
He not supposed to born.
Listen now. Man, finish my story now. Okay. He don't try to get small work. He don't get house of his own. Maybe not just bed sitter. Maybe say bedroom at all day inside, kitchen day inside, and he own.
That is studio apartment.
He just dey there. They hustle himself. They do small. You know they hungry. He
can comfortably take care of only himself.
He take care of himself. Okay. Then gradually, in-law look and say he's not getting any younger.
So now age na say they marry now.
Come now.
Okay.
Olawale done reach 32, 35, 36.
Why Olawale?
Now you now.
Okay, make I use another name.
Funky.
I been no verse Olawale na there abeg. I go stop my thoughts.
Oh yeah, they go. I hear you.
So you get. So now he does say don't if he survive, if he take care of himself.
Now is there a deadline for marriage?
No, I'm coming. You know why? So whether you like him or not, there are things that you should not do, that you should not be doing at certain age.
Bro, if you are not cut out for it, leave it. No, they now they pressure all these people. Now 35, you never guide. You won't come marry person for what
so
now?
So now my problem when I will get with Olawale now say, I should dey for that.
Go ahead.
I should dey for that position where you did so.
Yes.
Now we don't say you did do something. And you try to advance to do better.
You get vision.
Yeah. That one I'll first salute your courage. Yeah. Now, if you want to settle down at that age, because you don't look and say age is not on your side, and at least you don't get one or two.
You don't say if you get vision, may you not still make.
They come now.
But go ahead.
The Olawale, the two people say I go advance Olawale. A lot of times
we have to go for this music. We have to go for this music. Who be Olawale? Na Poski Day or something they want to do. Fair to my children because no, I did it for one of plenty reasons. Another reason is for the legacy to continue.
Exactly.
The family name.
Yeah.
Okay. It's bigger than me. I'm just a relay race person.
You see,
at the end of the day.
I like this. Yeah. That's why whatever that you both get away the play for Nigeria. Actually, she said every time I wear the Nigerian jersey, I'm not playing football for myself. I play for something far bigger than even my name and my roots.
Okay. Somebody says sensible people. They plan to have kids.
Yanga FM, and we are rounding up the segment we call Experience, where today has been 2 for the price of 1, and the second experience we have brought to everybody this morning. Now, experience wey be say we dey ask people question. Ask yourself if you reach out. If you don born pikin, search your conscience, check am out, because if you born pikin because of yourself, unconsciously, without knowing it, you go dey one kind to that pikin because of the thing wey dey your head.
No, but a lot of people, sorry to cut you, just feel say na the normal thing to do. You don't grow, make money, marry, the next thing na to born.
That's why I say, where does culture and tradition come in?
The next thing na to born.
You marry, never 1 year you never born, they don't dey look you with one kind eye.
Exactly, they'll call the calculator for you.
That's tradition.
So a lot of people get pedophobia. That's the fear of children. Some people no want born.
So sorry guys, like Ajiro she talked before. Some things dey for our culture and tradition. But we say we really have to take critical look at, make we redefine it. Well, like this context of say you don't marriage, the next thing you don't grow rich, you don't marriage, born pikin. They no go dead there when hospital go they ask you for 300,000.
But I want to ask you, why your people they born plenty?
It's tradition, it's culture.
Normal sentence.
So they don't say more come. They get number where they give now.
Jam question.
No, but importantly, wait.
I don't notice. I said there are people they born plenty. Too.
We get plenty farmland.
Exactly. So
they have now.
We have to.
So they born and they
so
born
it's for commercial purpose.
Not just commercial. Inheritance.
So who no can get inheritance? We can still born plenty.
Is this a problem, don't they?
That one is family problem.
So they should make they sensitize.
Sense why is we that is.
This hour don't go now. The next hour.
May they do sensitization because you know if you born children solely for commercial purposes now.
No, we know they born for commercial.
Selfish interest.
So
personal interest.
Like I don't talk on before. Every sensible couple or anybody who say intend to get pikin,
you need to plan
to get pikin.
One of the problems.
Come, not be surprised.
They take 9 months. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to round up this segment by giving you and everybody that cares to listen a very, very solid advice.
Please.
If you are not ready,
if you cannot afford them,
don't go there. If you fail to prepare to fail.
If you cannot
that
afford
is why
them.
we have so many children outside there that are just their destiny is being played with. Some people go get pikin go work out, come out from house from morning till night, you no care. Now because of the reason why you born that pikin, you know born am make that pikin be better person. You just born pikin to prove say you fit born pikin, and it is wrong. We need to start changing. One of human being, one of our greatest problem now overpopulation. And I go say Nigerian context, if you check them, it get generation to generation. During the oil boom, a lot of our parents were having children up and down. 7 was the average. 5, 7 was
money
average.
Day now.
Because money day Nigeria.
Now
we dey feel the repercussion because those children now when they born don't grow. The place where one work day, where we say 5 people they find before, now 700 people. The same place where we say 3 people they take chop. Now 30 people want chop there. Ladies and gentlemen, I beg. Make we start to dey plan family for a better society.
If you can take care of one child comfortably, born
one child.
If not 2, you fit take care of born 2.
And I think the right mindset give birth to children and mutual. As you dey happy say you born the pikin too, you go also try make the pikin dey happy.
So you come this life.
You be father or you be mother. So you go do your own. And then also do their own for them. Make there 2. Make the thing they balance. So that you give the pikin quality life as you bring her on life.
Ladies and gentlemen, don't go anywhere. We'll be right back after Ashake.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.